In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in your Typeform form. If you want your form to better match your brand, improve readability, or simply feel more polished, changing the font is a quick and effective way to do it. Typeform makes this fairly simple through the design settings, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact process from start to finish so you can update the look of your form with confidence. To begin, open your form in the Typeform editor. Make sure you're inside the form you actually want to update, since any design changes you make here will apply to that specific form or theme setup. Once the editor is open, take a moment to look at the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main design controls. Next, click the design palette icon on the left toolbar. This will open the area where Typeform lets you manage the visual style of your form, including things like themes, colors, and typography. If you're not seeing the exact layout right away, just stay focused on the design panel because that's where the font settings live. From there, select theme and then click customize. If you already have a theme applied, customizing it will let you adjust its current settings. If you'd rather start fresh, you can also create a new theme instead. Either option works as long as you end up inside the theme customization area where the font controls are available. Once you're in the customization settings, click font. You should see a drop-down list with the available typefaces. Go ahead and choose the font that best fits the style and tone of your form. For example, some fonts feel more modern and clean, while others may feel more formal or more expressive. As you choose, keep readability in mind, especially if your form includes a lot of text or will be viewed on different screen sizes. After selecting your preferred font, click Save Changes. This ensures your new font choice is stored in the theme settings. Finally, publish your form so the updated design becomes visible to anyone accessing it. If you skip publishing, your changes may not appear on the live version of the form. And that's it! You've successfully changed the font in your Typeform form. It's a small update, but it can make a big difference in how professional and consistent your form looks.